Hello, Writing Guru here, and today, we will judge your essay by its cover. Let's rock! A cover page for an essay depends on the style you are instructed to use. It is imperative to format this page correctly for your work to succeed. A good title page should contain the following information: the student's name, date of submission, title of the essay, name of the course, name of the instructor. If you have not been specifically instructed to avoid adding pictures on the title page, you can choose a relevant visual and add it. Make sure that it is not something irrelevant or something that looks out of place because it is too large or too colorful. All the information you share on the title page should be 100% correct and should not arouse any questions. These are some basics on making a title page. Keep in mind that BestCustomWriting.com can make you a great title page, along with a complete assignment. Use this shortcut to academic success, and good luck.